Lesson 2, Raju and the Roaster. Write the correct alternative given to complete the sentence. 1. Raju lived with his all of them. 2. They had dash. They had a dozen of hens and roosters and many chicks. 3. One day king killed many chicks. 4. Who threw the rice to catch the king? Raju's mother. Activity 2. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ସଜାଡ଼ି ଲେଖିବା। cockroach, bread, roaster, king. Activity 3. Choose the opposite word from the box and write in the space provided. ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଶୂନ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଶବ୍ଦଟିର ବିପରୀତ ଶବ୍ଦ ଲେଖିବା। Big, small, tall, short, king, queen, father, mother, day, night, come, go, give, take, bad, good. Activity 4. Fill in the blanks choosing correct words. One is done for you. Tell, teller, tallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Activity 5. Write the answer to the following question. A. Who was Raju? Raju was a boy. B. Who did Raju live with? Raju lived with his parents and grandparents. C. What was the name of the biggest rooster? The name of the biggest rooster was King. D. Who was able to catch the rooster? Raju was able to catch the rooster. E. Was Raju a clever boy? Yes, Raju was a clever boy.